In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk SMS in GoHighLevel. Before we start, a quick heads up. Make sure texting is enabled in your account. You have permission to message your contacts, and your sending number is set up and verified. This helps you stay compliant and ensures your messages actually reach people. Begin on your dashboard and open the contacts area. This is your master list where you can see everyone you might message. Take a second to confirm you're in the right view so you don't accidentally include the wrong audience. A helpful tip here is to make sure your list is already filtered to the group you want to reach, like active leads or recent subscribers, so the bulk send stays relevant and targeted. At the top of the contacts list, click the checkbox to select all. If your account prompts you to include all records that match your current view, go ahead and confirm that. This ensures you're capturing everyone you intend to message, not just the visible page. With your contacts selected, look for the More menu above the list and open it. This menu contains the bulk actions you can run on your selection. Choose Send SMS from that menu. This opens the bulk SMS window where you'll configure the send. First, give the action a clear name. This is for your internal tracking, so pick something descriptive, like a campaign label or a short note about the purpose and date. You'll thank yourself later when you're reviewing results or repeating a successful send. Next, type your SMS message. Keep it concise, friendly, and useful. Plain language works best. If personalization is available in your account, consider adding simple merge fields, like a first name, to boost engagement. Avoid long links. A short link looks cleaner and saves characters. Be mindful of compliance too. Include any required opt-out language and avoid sensitive or restricted content. If you're sending to a broad audience, make sure the message makes sense without prior context and confirm spelling and grammar so you look polished and professional. When everything looks good, click Send SMS. If your system shows a confirmation, read it carefully to verify the contact count and the message preview before proceeding. Note that bulk messages usually go out immediately and may use messaging credits, so plan your timing to align with your audience's time zone and business hours. That's it. You've opened contacts, selected your audience, used the More menu, chosen Send SMS, named the action, written your message, and sent it. Follow these steps each time, keep your copy clear and compliant, and you'll be ready to run effective bulk texting campaigns with confidence.